Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with third row seating, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, touring suspension, Apple CarPlay, rain sensitive windshield wipers, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, garage door transmitter, Park View rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.